check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to One Tech Reviews. It's your boy Stevo, and today we're going to take a look at the Apple AirPods Pro. Now, these are my first pair of AirPods, so I don't really have a frame of reference to judge them against as far as previous models. So we're going to keep an open mind and take these as they come. So before we crack open the box, let's go over some specs. So these have an H1 chipset, which is supposed to help your phone pair faster to these. We'll see how well that works in the review. These are IPX4 water and sweat resistant. They feature Bluetooth 5.0 for that instant connectivity again. 4.5 hours of battery life on a single charge, but these do have quick charge. So 5 minutes of charging in the case will give you approximately an hour of real-time usage, and we'll also be judging that in the review as well. These do feature active noise canceling. The charging case is wireless, so I look forward to using that. This does have an adaptive EQ, touch controls on the AirPods themselves, Siri, and the price on these is about $250. So let's go ahead and open the box up. So it looks like it's typical Apple packaging, just plain minimalistic box. All right, nothing on that side. Some manuals, I'm sure, user guides, warranty information, how to connect them to your phone. We'll look at that a little bit later. But here are the AirPods themselves. You see they're fairly small. We'll get them out of this plastic. And here they go. Now, I think these look a lot better than previous AirPods. I hated the two original AirPods. The stem was too long. They look ridiculous in your ears. The stems on these are a lot shorter, so they don't look as douchey. But we'll do a bunch of tests. We'll do fit tests. We'll do fitness tests, see how they fit, working out, that kind of thing. I'm a big runner, so I want to make sure these stay in your ears while you're running, doing exercises, that sort of thing. Here's your charging cable, Lightning to Type-C USB. Decent length for charging. And what else we got here? We've got some additional ear tips. So by default, these come with medium-sized ear tips, but there are small ones in here and larger ones. So we'll be testing those out. And these are supposed to feature a fit test to make sure you get that proper seal in your ears for the best sound. So let's go ahead and look at these again. See, we've got these left and the right. It looks like the case does come with a charge. You can see that. I don't know if you can see that light there on the camera, but it's a green light. It does alternate between white. Get that back in there. So a lightning connector, but this is a wireless charging case. So if you have a wireless charger, you can just plop this on top and get your charging that way. So this has been an unboxing and first look. We'll go ahead and do a in-depth review on this a bit later. Stay on the lookout for that video. If you want to keep up to date, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, we look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.